test. Hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. What is happening?
How we doing?
Thanks for being here. Appreciate y'all. I don't know if you've seen while I was marking up the chart for you, it came down just like a fucking. I told it to.
Just like PVC.
And you've seen me pull up the chart. I just threw some lines up there. I backed it out. Looked at, I bought some levels right here, threw that up here. It was 24,000 also. So I was like, 24,000 is going to be a good base. Threw that bitch in here, marked up that channel that we're currently in, which is a down channel. And I'm not a down player. So I had to find when the fuck it's going to touch down here. It did. It kissed my fucking entry and then it shot up. Expect it to get rejected here is what I think because of this channel, right? Look at this. It took me 30 seconds, maybe a minute to fucking do this, to set that up. And that's it. That just ran how far? 300 points, 300 fucking ticks in 3 minutes just by looking. That's it.
Yo, that's a fat ass play.
And if you missed it, go ahead and just watch the replay. You'll see how I drew the lines. You can see with your own fucking eyes. You can see this channel, right? You just got to go. You just got to pull the trigger. Let me switch over to SPY now, see what we're doing here. So it's a little harder to visualize, I guess, because SPY doesn't move the way the futures do. But right now, as we're speaking, we're pushing up towards VWAP. Low, man, we gap fucking down like a bitch.
It's crazy.
Let me see. We closed at 66123. We got down. Oh shit, I gotta send out levels too. My bad. We got down to what, 656? So $5, $6. That's a percent, man. I don't know what to think today, man. This thing's been going down, 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 down. The play's been puts, like for the trend for the day, but seems like we've been taking calls in the day, in the morning to get a quick snippet, and then it just yanks on us.
Yeah.
Let me get these levels out for you.
I'll be right back.
All right. This week's kind of been lackluster, not a lot of movement and volatility in the morning for us like I like, but we're still playing. I still take the plays on the just in case, right? You're always able to get something. You just have to be fast, guys. You have to know what to expect. I try to lay that out for you as far as the levels go, when I'm going, why I'm going, what to look for. Try to point all this out to you. The challenging part, more than half, 3/4 of the challenge with trading is the mental aspect of it, right? It's very hard to buy on red candles and vice versa. It's very hard to buy puts on green candles. But if you know your levels, have confidence in them, just fucking go. It has to turn around at some point, right? One way or the other, it doesn't matter, up or down. It'll turn around. You just have to find the levels that you have seen, either someone pointing out to you or past practice, how the reactions are off of those levels, and then what to expect, right? Because even if the play goes against you, you have a solid stop, you know your game plan, and you're out, right? A lot of people that play VWAP, same thing. So this thing has been south of VWAP since 8 o'clock, right? So we took you could have took a put here, or vice versa. It broke above, right? Hey, I'm gonna take a call. Okay, good. It reversed instantly the next candle. So guess what? You stopped out. That's fine. You entered puts, and then it ran for you. So if you entered here, look at that. So you again, what is that? A $3 play for a cost of 60 cents. You know, that's like what, 5, 6 to 1. And again, you
That's a
don't know how far it's going to go down. You have to have a trim levels. You just have to trim. All right, you're not getting the whole play. If you think you're getting the whole play every single time, like, you're an idiot and you're going to fail. Don't know how else to tell you. So take trims, have your levels. Um, futures, I start mine at $1, which is 4 ticks, 8 ticks, $2. I mean, futures is kind of, I don't want to say easier, but it's a lot faster. It's level driven. And so, um, as far as getting, I don't know how to explain it, man. It's just, it seems easier just because it's lines. It's not, you're not dealing with decay and all the percentages and shit. So
Mhm.
it's easier to trail because you can just drag your little stop line up, and if it wicks you out, that's okay. I'm in profit, and you move on. So for the day, what to expect? Fuck, guys, look at this. Right, you have to say puts. This is the hourly. Okay. Uh, we're at what, 650? We'll call it 655, even though it's 56. So let's just draw a line here. We'll draw a line at 55 just to see where we're at. Okay, that's 55. So you can see 55. It's um, hit a few times back since, excuse me, September. Yes, it dipped down, but it got sucked back up each time. The level below that, I was going to say, where's 650? 650, where we hunt. Here we go. That's 650. So you can see it kissed it there. You could see previously, if you guys want to go back pre-September, okay, the 650 range, and I think it was 640 was hard to get above. And then we based here what we're doing for several months, right? This is August through September that we just kind of went sideways. I don't know if that's what's happening now because of the war and shit. A lot of uncertainties going on. I don't know if it is gonna die, then she's gonna die, right? So 650, below 650, we've got to, and go back down to that 640, I'd guess, right? Just using our eyeballs. Look at this is the 650 here. So if we lose this morning, I'd expect that 650. Why not? Why not? We're in this downtrend right here. This is no bueno. We are what? How many? When is this? When did this thing start? The beginning of February, so well over a month. We've just been tracking down. We tried to hold it for a little while here, but she fell through. Now again, we did this minor consolidation. But I don't know. Long term, I don't know. I don't know. Anybody seeing anything? This is our normal trajectory, right? Boom, up. We're not doing that. We're doing the opposite. Got to go with that as far as long term. Um, today, I'm expecting calls. I know it's shocking. The reason is, guys, look, we have this is a hard level here, right? The 655. I don't know. When it did break it, we went below. Like this day here. I'm gonna try to zoom in. Sorry if I'm making you sick. Um, it broke there. This is a solid. Is that pre? No, this is all aftermarket. This is all aftermarket. So something must have happened. Their earnings or some shit. This day it went below. It was pre-market. It wicked back up. Kind of what we're seeing today. This here, same thing. It was aftermarket, and then it sucked back up for the day. So that's kind of what I'm expecting today. And again, just based on past practice, I don't know. It could do this on us. It could fall through and then go all the way to 650. So these are just things I look at. All right. I sit down here 10 minutes and look at the charts, and I just start plotting lines. I don't know any of this shit. These levels don't mean a damn thing to me. I just try to play them to my advantage. I try to look at, hey, where did this thing react last time, and use it to my advantage. We're about to open up here in a couple of minutes. I still haven't got levels out because I'm fucking OCD or some bullshit. What do you see, Playboy? What are you liking?
Oh, I feel like we're gonna push down. I
You
mean,
like
like you
that
said, we might
650?
get that. Yeah, we might get that bounce up. Maybe just to trap some folk. Um, You gotta push down to the 650s. I've got I've got 652 marked down and 649.
Playboy's more direct. I'm just ballparkish. All right. Um, First thing we have to do, a couple of things. We have to overcome VWAP. That's our first target. If we're going long side, then we got to tackle yesterday's low at the 661. Issue here in this range, guys, is we have pre-market high and we have yesterday's lows, and it's a spread too of about a buck. Okay. So there's going to be some issues here. Okay. Just be aware. This is two hard levels that could reject. So be wary of that. Even if it's not in our morning play, be wary of this throughout the day. All right. If you're looking for puts plays, these are good. This is a good area right here. And if it goes against you, like I hope it would, not because you lose, but I just want the market to go up, that's okay because you have your game plan, right? Always have your plan. That's it. Nobody's right 100%. You just have to know, hey, I'm going to get in here because of this. I'm going to get out because of this. That's it. Today's what, 19th? 19.
Oh
I'm
yeah, so
hurrying.
I'm about
Try to
to
get
get it.
this. And I got fucking pissed too. Why is everything? Whoops. Let's see. I gotta make myself a little checklist. I'm always like
Yeah.
I get all over the place. I get to yapping and I just lose track. Here's the we're opening up. I just sent out the levels. Make sure you mark them up. You can see we dipped below that right away. Could be getting some FOMO because all these folks think the market's going to zero. That could be happening. It could also just be driving down. Typically on gap ups or gap downs, it generally goes the other way because people are either A, taking profits on gap ups, so it's going to come down, or B, they're like, hey, I'm buying at a discount, so it's going to reverse. Typically. So we will wait and see. I'm going to mute myself for a second so I can piss. Playboy will tell you about liking and subscribing.
Yeah, guys, come on. The like and subscribe is free. Doesn't cost you anything. It helps us out. Huey's here every morning along with myself, and he's walking you through this. And if you guys didn't know, it's not easy to call out plays and take your own plays at the same time. So that the fact that Pee Wee is able to do that, it's awesome. So we'd appreciate a like and subscribe, y'all.
All right, we back. So you can see, yeah, I did drive down that first couple candle or two. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You guys like it bigger? Of course you do. Of course you do. Okay. So we opened up here, right? 650, 657, we'll call it. Came down, touched, what is that? 650. Is that, what did I mark? 655 and rejected. So that's what I like to see. If we lose that level, expect puts, guys. For anybody new here, what you're looking at, this is the purple is yesterday's highs and lows. The blue is pre-market highs and lows. And then this thing here is our opening range. Okay. The indicator is creating this white zone. After 5 minutes, it's going to make this gold bar or band, whatever you want to call it. This is the range that I'm going to play. You'll see on the breakout, either above or below, you're going to see on the screen, it'll tell you to buy or sell. Now, I go regardless, okay? When I go, I'm also going to tell you things to look out for, what may or may not happen. We have to be be ready to be fast, okay? It's your money. Don't wait for me to tell you to trim. If you feel like you want to trim at 3% or 5%, trim away. Trim some. I don't care. I trade based on a percent a day, like as far as my account. So you guys, however you have your goal, um, however you get there, you get there. Again, just have a plan. Don't hold your whole position. I would not. I mean, if you want to, go ahead, but I would not. So we are, what do we have here? About a $2 range, give or take 10 cents. So that's where we're at right now. First thing, if we just to look at, if we get a calls play and it opens up between our range here at 657 and VWAP, look for a kiss of VWAP and rejection. Okay. That's our first hurdle, if you want to call it that. Okay. There's a lot of people that play VWAP, and so they'll be looking to put puts on, or they'll be looking to jump in with us if we continue up and then drive up. If that happens, obviously a good thing. We're going to look for the opening range will be our base. And then yesterday's low is going to be our target. And that's if we get above VWAP. Okay. If we fall below this 655, and in my opinion, it should be an easy play, guys. I have to change the time frame to get our target there, but it should, if it goes below, trend down. It could also be a motherfucker close below and then fucking get yanked right back up, which that I wouldn't put it past him.
Yeah, this bitch loves doing that.
Yesterday we had a real slow mover, and the problem with options, guys, is the decay. And the 0 days, we need some volatility. We need it to move in order to move the price, because we're fighting time. It's good and bad for us. I like the mornings because we have that volatility and the uncertainty. And that's why I do it. You'll notice if you go back and do your own research. Let's say we hit a play and it goes 50% and it goes up to like 70 cents, let's just say. It pulls back down, and then all day long, all it does is trend up all day. We're talking $1, $2, $3 sometimes. It'll never hit our 70 cents again. And that's because of the volatility. And you get a lot of that FOMO. People are like, oh, I gotta buy, I gotta buy. And so that's the decay you're working against. And then it goes slow, up, down, up, down. If you don't know options, like I don't know really how to explain them. It's just, I like to say they're like a coupon, okay? Because you're buying, let's say our 0 days. So we buy a 658. You're buying that coupon saying, hey, I bought one option, which is 100, to buy SPY at $658. Obviously, it's worthless at the end of the day. If it doesn't sell for 658 and 1 cent, it's zero to you, because nobody's going to buy a coupon. Hey, if SPY is uh, 659, I don't want to buy your shit at and not have any discount, right? So if the thing goes up to 670, let's say, and you have a coupon at 658, everybody wants to buy that bitch. Hell yeah. Right? That's why you're gonna that's how they work, kinda. I don't know. It's a horrible explanation, but that's how I kind of first learned it because I couldn't wrap my head around it. So you can notice the gold bar has been created. We are ranging within our $2 still. There's a lot of uncertainty. VWAP is kind of flattening out if you notice, which is good for me. I don't know. I just like to see the bitch go up. I have 663 calls loaded up. 663 calls loaded. Don't go. It just means load them up in whatever the fuck platform you're in. If it's Webull, what's that thing? Robinhood or whatever else is out there. TD. 663 calls. Don't be a fucking hero. Unless you want to be Playboy, that's fine. Go ahead. But like I said, when we clear opening range, it looks like I want to clear VWAP at the same time. But if we don't, be weary, guys. We're real close to it. So I don't, on my, what's this called? The Webull, it looks like it went above VWAP. So I don't know why my VWAPs are different. I have to look at the settings. It should be the same. It wicked above it. Here on whatever this is, Trading View, it did not. 663 is, remember, 663 calls. Load them up, load them up, load them up. Come on, baby. 663 calls, guys. 663 calls. Don't go. Just load them. And I've been having some shits. We had corned beef and cabbage.
Mm.
This shit's fucking good.
I haven't had that in forever.
Smells good out your ass too.
I can imagine.
So I don't know what's going on here. My Webull, I'm showing we've wicked up above VWAP 3 times. I don't know what you guys are seeing. If anyone uses Robinhood, I don't know if that's showing the same thing, but I'm gonna definitely have to look at these settings here. I don't know why they're different.
Yeah, I'm showing, well, my Webull at least, we worked 3 times.
We are closing this range here. See how VWAP? So I'd like to get above it. It's very strong. There's a lot of VWAP traders, so
VWAP assassin. There we go.
663 calls, guys. 663 calls are loaded. 663 calls. Don't go yet. I'm gonna wait. Now you see in the indicator it says buy. I'm gonna wait for this close. Okay. If you want to be a hero, you fucking go, but that's okay. You do you. 663 calls are ready to go. Probably looking at the anywhere between 55 or so. And go. You got filled at 51. Didn't get the follow through like I wanted, but that's okay. She's trying. She did get above VWAP and close. Now let's get that push. There we go. 55s. Should have took a little trim there. Come on, push. 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 Come on. Give us that little nut. Get us some real money. So I was in at 51, so I took a little trim at 55, guys. I don't know what you got. Filled that. Just take some when you see it, okay? Just give us a push. She wants to pop. She wants to pop, guys.
You the top.
She wants to. Nobody likes Red Fridays. Come on. Come on.
No, today's Thursday.
Oh, Thursday. Nobody likes Red Thursdays. Sorry, I was thinking I was done for the week. Fuck. Come on, baby. Give us that nut. She's showing us the pubes. There we go. Let me see the lip. Give me a lip. There we go. Take some more, guys. Take some more. Take a little bit there. Even if you got in late, you got 10%. Take some. Don't be greedy, you fucks. Don't make a fuck out of me, Spy. Go up. Now we're holding VWAP. It keeps wicking below, which is good. Now we're on the other side of it. So that's what the side we want to be on, being that we're in calls, okay? So right now, what you're watching for, futures or options, you want to hold, number one, above VWAP, but we definitely want to hold above our opening range, okay? If we close inside of our opening range, I would look to exit even your runners, even if you're a little red or even if you're a little profit, look to exit just to secure the win. And again, because you have to have your plan, right? So even if you've taken profit, whatever is remaining needs to not affect your overall day. So let's just pretend you took half off at 10%, and then the thing goes red 5%. Well, you're still up 5% on the day, right? That's a win. Some folks go all off at whatever percentage XYZ they want, and that's okay too. It's just riskier. What'd you guys get filled at?
Oh, they hog me.
51.
I got
So we
filled at
got in
fucking
and out.
53.
You're too fast, that's why.
Yeah, I know. Because I hesitated on the first jump, which I should have went.
Well, it went to 60. You should have got a snippet.
Yeah, no, I got a snippet. I'm good on that. I just I hesitated. Should
Yeah,
have
so we're
jumped
all around
in.
the same 51,
Yeah.
52, 53. That's good. 48. Look at this bitch. Orlando, motherfucker.
See, that's
48.
where I was trying to get in, you fuck.
Shit.
Orlando took what I was trying to get.
Nice. And I got out. I'm out. Fucker. Now it's going to fucking reverse. I guarantee you. It's going to go up to yesterday's low in one candle.
Fucking bitch.
And if for whatever reason in 10 minutes we're gone, because we're gonna shut off here at 10 o'clock. The stream will be available over in the Discord. You can follow along the stream if you want. Also, just for if you don't and you're just trading at home or wherever the fuck you're trading, Remember, puts are going to be in play below the 655, guys. If I'm not around, don't you don't need me to be here. If you have that itch to keep trading, puts are in play. Just because I don't call it out, that's just know that that's what Pee Wee would do. All right.
What would Pee Wee do?
What would Pee Wee do? Find those levels. Find your own levels. Like if you're like, hey, here's the range. Here's the VWAP. Here's some lows. Here's some highs. I look for trends too. Like here, it's easier to see on this. Look at that fucking play. I love myself. Okay. So what I mean by trends, right? So I'll look for this was clearly a fucking down, right? So as soon as it broke that, you broke out of this downtrend. You have two candles here that went to the same penny, right? Okay, there's a little base. It went up, it broke out of that downtrend. You can get in here for a push back up to who knows where. It just happened to this is 24,000 line I just put there. So look what happened now that we're looking at this though. So this is our trend up. We broke down below it. In all reality, you should be in puts if you're or what's it called? Selling if you're in futures. But why wouldn't you be? Because we had all this consolidation here. We couldn't get above it. Now it's using it as base. So we're still looking calls. I don't know. I can talk myself into calls or puts all day long. SPY's still going up, so I like that. What's it called? Q's doing. Q. Give me a sec. They're going up. So oh shit, I got a line I just drew. Whoops. So again, what's funny, we're just barely, if you're still in, we have not got the 60 cents again, like we got over here, and we're above what we were as far as levels go. So that's options for you.
Baby, oh shit. God damn, I look away for a fucking second and this bitch nutted. Shit.
66123. Expect that. Expect 66123. So says the Pee Wee.
So says Pee Wee.
Or let me see here. What I just seen here at 65867. That's where we're at now. Twice earlier in pre-market, it came to this level, 65870, and rejected the other way, going north. Here, look. Right here. So it rejected in this area, what, right there and there. That was like a base, and that's where we're coming up to right now. So is that a rejection point? Do they not want to get above that? Because we also tested it here. We came down, broke it, came back up, but then it finally broke down. We want to see it overcome that. I trade with my eyes a lot, guys. I just look at stupid levels, whatever my eyeballs are drawn towards. It's usually right. I don't know why. Somebody wants these levels for some reason, somewhere.
Go, baby, go. Shit. You know what? Every time NQ reaches the top, I'm just gonna go puts.
Just
Not
scroll
even
back a
wait
little
on
bit.
call.
I happen to see that little 670 level on my Webull because I'm like, wait a minute, we're at we're at that range right there. So I'm like,
Mm-hmm.
huh, looky there. Looky there. Look where we
Looky
rejected.
here.
Weird.
Yeah.
So it's got to bust above that. And then we should be going to my mouse. I got my mechanic. He came over to the house. Remember my kid's air or whatever
Yeah.
was fucking
Your
up?
AC.
He comes to the house.
He fixed it up for you.
Well, he's still here. He just
Oh,
texted me
he's
and
still
said
there.
he's outside.
Oh, okay.
But that's been a fucking life send, bro.
Yeah, fucking
The guy
mobile
like does his
mechanic.
own mobile mechanic shit. Man, this guy has
Yeah.
done everything. He done
Oh.
everything but a head gasket for me right in my fucking driveway. You name
That's
it, he's done
fucking
it. Brakes, alternators, fucking
shit.
AC bullshit, like a full on mechanic. Anything that like he has his own little portable lift that like
Oh,
uses his air compressor and just zzz.
okay. But he's got a whole fucking
Yeah,
system.
yeah. He said, what did he do before? I forgot what he did before, but he started doing mechanic shit on the side. And then maybe he was at a truck shop, like a diesel mechanic. And
Mm-hmm.
then he just started tinkering on cars on the side. And he's like, bro, I started making more money. I was too busy. I was like, deuces to my fucking job. And he's like, I'm fucking busy all day. I have put like I called him when did that happen? 3, 4 days ago? He's like, I'll get you in Thursday. I'm like, all right.
Oh yeah.
It's fucking nice. Don't have to go to a fucking mechanic. Guys, if you're still in, you should be trimming. I'm out. I'm greedy. I got OCD. I'm like,
Got the
done.
OCDs.
I see green. I'm good. Got paid. But hopefully, me being able to walk you through some of this shit. I know I get off on tangent sometimes, but I also like to point out different things, what I'm looking at, why I'm looking at them, just to see if it can help you. At the end of the day, it's you trading, not me, right? You're the one pushing enter. You can see what a slight variation in you not pulling the trigger is in all of our entries, right? We got from 48 to 53. So, and that hesitation is just that, you know. I have these things automated. Speaking of, let me go make sure they fired. Oh, let's see here. Where is that bitch? Oh, there it is. Oh man, it's got to do that. To F2. What's that new shit they call it? The authorization where it's got to text you, call you, email you, all that bullshit. Man, let me in my fucking account.
I don't know.
Shit.
Yeah, there's some crazy shit they got.
Oh, could you send me your DNA and your mom's maiden name, brother's cousin's neighbor from third grade?
Oh
God,
no. That's fucking ridiculous.
where am I at here? There we go. All right, guys, if you have not done so, please like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell them I'm a drunk loser, whatever. Come listen to me rant. I'd appreciate it.
Yes.
Let me give you this Discord link here if you want to come on over there. We'll talk shit. Oh, where are the keys? Take the keys to Joe outside. Oh, Joe, Mom. All right. I was going to knock off. Uh, anyway, I don't know what I was saying. Come over to the Discord. Long story short.
Onto the Discord. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Somebody call my mama.
What is this bitch doing? I came back down again. It's just going to keep eating our decay, guys. It's going to go up all day. Telling you. It's going to go up to that 66123. It's just going to eat your money.
Just gonna eat your mind.
If you were in futures, you could have been in futures. Played some futures off this level here. Nice hard levels. That would have been a nice play. But anyway, I'll be knocking off. Did you want anything else with them, Rich?
No, I'd like a like and subscribe, you know.
Appreciate it, y'all. I'll see you tomorrow for a Friday. Think Rich is playing hooky. He's gonna go get him a little putty. Putty. On the squat rack. Don't rip them tights on accident now.
I know it. I got to be careful.
All right, y'all. See you tomorrow.
See y'all.
Easy money.